Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining in. We'll begin like in a minute or two. But yeah, this session will cover in-depth detail about everything, right from what is Smartly Creators program and all the three topics, who are topic mods, topic creators, and topic leads. So yeah, it is for each and every one in our community. So yeah, thanks for being patient. Just we'll start in like a minute or two. Also, we'll keep it an interactive session. Feel free to raise your hand in case you have any doubt throughout. Also, towards the end, we'll have an AMA session. Ask anything question. So we would be open to any doubts, any queries that you guys would have. We would cover each and everything in detail throughout the session. But in case still anyone has any doubt or anything, feel free to ask. Raise up your hand. Even throughout the session, if you have any query, raise up your hand, and then we'll try to take it up. Okay, I think Chandika, over to you.
Okay. So hello everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the Smartly Creators program onboarding and the AMA sessions. We have the core team members of Smartly Creators program with us. Raksha is there, Sampada is there, Arushi is there also. Welcome you all. Who's the creators, topic mods, topic leads, and who is here for the know the sessions. So I'm Chandika Sarkar, the program manager of SAP, and today's session is meant to be two things very clearly. First is help you to understand what Smartly Creators program actually is and how it works. And secondly, set the right expectations so everyone is aligned from day one. We also have the SFP creator, topic leads, and topic moderators maybe with us today. So it's not just an intro session, it's a shared conversation. This will be an onboarding and AMA session, so please feel free to drop your questions as we go. As Raksha said, I will cover everything first and then we will open to the all questions. Okay, so let's start with the visions. Smartly Creators program exists for one simple reason: building verified knowledge for the AI era. Today's content is everywhere. AI can generate answers in seconds, but the real problem is what we can trust. SAP is powered by Smartly with the belief that knowledge should not be just accessible. It should be accurate, reviewed, and reusable. So, what exactly is Smartly Creators program? Smartly Creators program is an early contributor programs where people come together to build verified, high quality educational content for the Insights by Smartly app. There are three important ideas here. Firstly, you don't just create content. It is reviewed and verified. Secondly, you learn by contributing, not by passively consuming. You become the part of a long-term knowledge ecosystem. That's why we describe SCP as simple, practical, and impact-driven. Next, come to what kind of content. This slide is very important, especially for the new contributor. We are not looking for flashy contents. We are not chasing the virality. The focus is also on the core tech concept explained clearly. Areas like AI, Web3, programming, and emerging technology. Next, contents that support the beginner to the advanced learning path, and the contents that people can trust and the reuse. So one line sums up it perfectly. Contents that educates, not just perform. Comes to the next slides. Who can join? Firstly, SCP is open, but it's not casual. You can join if you are a student who is curious about building real world knowledges and a learner who want to proof of learning, not certificates. Nextly, the writers, developer, educators, and explorer. And most important things, beginners are welcome. But this line matters a lot. Intents matter more than expertise. If your intent is genuine, learning, and contribution, you are at the right place. Next, come to what you gain from SAP. Let's talk about the value. What you gain includes public proof of learning and contributor, reputation linked to verified educational content, and the early contributor status in the Smartly ecosystem, and the priority access to the future platform features. So it's a long-term creativity, not a temporarily recognitions. Next comes to how SAP works. Let's understand the workflow. SCP runs on the open creation and the structured verification. Here is how it works. Content creation and reviews happens openly. Once the content is verified, it will be published on the Smartly app. Also, the reputation, progress, and the leaderboards are tracked on the app. Communities and topic mods and the mentors guide quality. Everything is transparent on purpose because trust grows when we process this visible. Next, what is the role of topic mods? Now I want to explain the roles starting with topic mods. Here is a mindset shifts here from helping people write to maintain the quality. Topic mods helps ensure accuracy and clarity, conceptual correctness, learning first expression, and feedback aligned with Smartly standard. They act as a quality gatekeeper. Their job is not speed. Their job is protecting the knowledge quality. Next comes to the role of topic admins. This role exists because where standard define the excellence. The role of the topic admins is topic admin own and manage the specific tech domains like AI, Web3, define the standards and the best practices. Topic admins will mentor and guide the topic moderators, and he or she will take the final calls on the approval and innovation. So they ensures the ecosystem doesn't grow, it grows the right directions. Again, the idea is knowledge is built together and protected together. Next comes to the very main thing, the rewards and recognition. Let's talk about rewards transparently. SCP has a total prize pools of 2.5 lakh over 3 months. It will be distributed monthly. Instead of the winner takes all the model, we have shared pool. Firstly is knowledge creators pool, knowledge moderators pool, knowledge leads pool. Each pool has 25,000 per month shared among the active high quality contributors. Next is beyond money, smartly, swags and recognitions, public reputations on smartly, early access to the new features, and future token based incentives. Also, the most importantly, this is not a speed based, not ranked based, not exploitive. We reward quality, consistency, and verificational effort. Next, why verified knowledge matters. This slide explains why SCP exists. In the AI era, content is easy to generate, accuracy is hard to maintain. Education needs the safeguards. Verified learning always beats the viral learnings. Clear explanation shows the real understanding. Trust content gains the values over time. That's why we say is the knowledge is power, trust is infrastructure. Now comes to why join SCP now. Why now? Because joining early means you shape how verified education is built. You grow with the platform and also you build reputations before the scale arrives. Smartly is building free, verified education for the internet. SAP is your entry point into the future. It's good for the beginners. Next comes to the registrations and update. If you didn't registrations yet, you can scan the QR code, or in this QR code you can follow us. Here, this is the resonance with you. Join the Smartly Creators program. Start contributing verified educational content. You can scan the QR code and you can get the link. From there, you can register yourself. And you can track your learning and the reputations on the Smartly app. Next, you can scan the QR code. You can get our social accounts and stay tuned with all the updates. So before we are open to the AMS sessions, one final note. SAP is not about the output alone. It's about earning trust through the contributions. If you are here to learn, contribute and build knowledge that lasts, you are exactly where you should be. So thank you for you being here. You can ask your doubts. You can raise your hands or you can write in the chat box anything you want. Over to Sampada and Arushi for the AMS sessions. You guys can ask your doubts, anything you have.
Also, guys, we are recording the session, so we'll add it on YouTube too for like future reference.
Okay, we have doubts for topic moderators and contributors. So, Chandika, could you like probably open up that slide and reintroduce it up?
Yeah, sure. Sampada? Okay. So this slide is about the topic modes. Topic modes, the role of the topic modes will be checking the contents, the accuracy and the clarity of the content. He or she, the topic modes will check the contents and he will give the feedback and in the smartly standards that how is your content quality, and he or she will be help you to the writing also in the content if you face any issues.